What's up guys? It's just me again. Here I am, it's me. The beginning of this video is gonna be the simplest tutorial you ever seen on how to put a K&N quick drop-in filtered K&N deal in basically any F-150.
Don't listen to this guy, he's an idiot. He's only kind of right actually. This fits every Ford 2008 and newer with a V8 or V6 engine. And after 2017, I believe it fits the inline fours as well, some of them. So, you know, obviously double check if you're gonna buy this, but this tutorial works for pretty much everything.
So I'm gonna show you how to do that just because that's all I got for this week. And then after, for the people who really care, we're gonna have a little sit down chat about what's been going on and what the future looks like. So here we go. All right guys, here's the engine bay of an F-150 from 2017 or newer, possibly older, I'm not sure. Here's your airbox. Your airbox might look a little bit different based on which engine you have, but I'm fairly certain that it's all kind of the same. If you get into your truck and it looks kind of like this, you're in good luck. Ford uses these little plastic clips here. You just kind of pull them back. Be careful because they are plastic. Then this part back here just kind of wedges underneath. So you just pull towards the front of the truck and lift up. There's our filter. That's kind of dirty, kind of yucky. I'm gonna go get our new one. One of the best places to get K&N drop-in filters for the best deal, as long as they have them, is Walmart actually. Walmart sells a lot of nice shit nowadays for cars. And they had this guy just in stock. It was only 45 bucks, which I'm sure is on par with, if not cheaper than most of the stuff online. So that's pretty cool. Here's our filter. Little size comparison. Same size, looks good. Grab this guy, drop him in. It can only go one way, so don't worry about that. Then you're gonna have to wedge these forks at the back here, back into their spots. This might be kind of tricky. It helps if you angle the box up at the front, kind of get it in there, force it to seat, and then clip. With the clips, it's easier if you push on this part right here, push on that, it'll kind of bend it, push it over. And that's all we got. I will keep you guys updated if this for some reason throws a code with this engine because it's turbocharged and it's supposedly getting more air now, but I doubt it will. These wastegates are unbelievably active on this truck and I'm sure it will be able to adapt to a little bit improved airflow. Might even like it. So yeah. Wasn't that cool? Isn't that guy knowledgeable? Man, that's crazy. That was so freaking cool. What the heck? Jeez. All right, so I don't know if any of you have noticed or if you care, but the last couple videos have been pretty low effort, just like simpler stuff. And we keep putting off the Celica, putting off the engine swap in the Celica because we don't have time. And I've said that a couple times, but I wanted to explain to those of you who care why we don't have time. Thing number one, I'm in the process of opening my own automotive repair shop actually. And so currently, in order to make that transition easier, I am working 410s as a diesel technician like I have been for years. And then on Friday and Saturday, I'm working, you know, probably 20 more hours out of this garage on customer vehicles. And I've built up a decent customer base, but I'm gonna need a lot more than that to go full time and, you know, keep myself busy. But once I'm in a shop with space and air conditioning and heating and way more time because I'm just working on people's vehicles instead of also being a diesel tech, the videos are going to be considerably easier to make because I'll have time, I'll have brain power, I'll have the energy, and it's gonna be really, really cool. I'm really looking forward to it. Also, I'm kind of hoping that we can go a little bit the direction of like the Car Wizard. I don't know if any of you guys know who he is. He's a huge inspiration to me. I would give a lot to be able to hang out with him for a day. He's a smart dude. And essentially what we might end up doing a little bit is showing you guys some day-to-day in the shop, like what we see, like what's wrong with this car and why is it wrong and how do we fix it and stuff like that. If you guys would be interested in that, let us know in the comments. That would be sick. We're not gonna stop doing our modification content because that's a big part of what cars mean to me, is the ability to modify them and make them cooler or make them sound different or make them perform better or whatever. That's a huge part of the automotive industry to me. It's not just repair and how it works and all this different stuff. So that's not gonna go away, and the cars will change and grow over time, especially as I have time to bring in project cars and actually fix them in a shop environment. So yeah, I want to shoot you guys straight. There is a good chance that we won't get to the Celica until end of September, early October. I'm not saying it will be that long, but there is a chance. So until then, we're going to keep doing the stuff that we can do, the stuff that we have time to do. I'm just thankful for all 2,200 of you guys that are sticking around, you know, through thick and thin. We appreciate you guys, and we hope that you're here for the personality rather than one specific car, because we will never have one specific car forever. You know, you run out of things to do. So we appreciate you guys. We love having you along for the ride, and we appreciate that you're willing to bear with us through this kind of time of transition in my personal life towards something better for both the channel and myself and my family. So for those of you who care, thanks for sticking around for this part of the video. For those of you who don't care, why are you still here? All right, we love you guys. I'm saying this for Noah as well. Check all the stuff in the description. Noah is very active with streaming, so if you want some Noah content that is coming out all the time, look into Noah's Twitch stream. And in terms of me, I'll be here, and you can always reach out on Instagram and talk to either one of us if you want to, and you know, we love talking to you guys. So peace.